If you're wondering whether your Sony TV can actually do split screen or show two things at once, this quick guide will explain everything in simple steps. Today, you'll learn which Sony models support split screen, how to turn it on if available, and what alternatives you can use if your TV doesn't include the feature. Sony removed the classic picture-in-picture and split-screen features from many of their newer Android and Google TVs, so not every model can do it. But some still support it through built-in settings, apps, or external devices. First, check whether your Sony TV has a PIP or multi-view option. Go to Settings, Watching TV External Inputs Picture-in-Picture. If the option appears, turn it on and select your secondary source. If it doesn't show, your model likely doesn't support native split screen. If your TV doesn't include the feature, you can still get split screen functionality. Use an Apple TV, Fire TV Stick, or NVIDIA Shield, which offer built-in multi-view modes for sports, news, and streaming apps. Alternatively, connect a Samsung phone or Windows PC, both of which allow casting apps in split view directly to your TV. Use these methods to watch sports on one side and apps or videos on the other, without needing any built-in Sony feature. If this helped you understand your Sony TV's split screen options, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick fixes and smart TV guides.